Morning, afternoon, forever watching. So welcome back once again to the NECO a channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question, something interesting. We said that deals with variation. It says if P varies directly, this is direct variation. P varies directly as Q. Let's interpret that first statement. So P, we put the proportion sign, varies directly as Q. This is what it is. Now, for us to remove this proportion sign, we introduce a constant. So we say P is equals to K times Q. So when we remove the proportionality sign, we introduce the constant K. I'll put equals to sign. So we are told that if P is 2 when Q is 10. Now, the first statement that is usually given after this is what we use to find the constant. Now, we're told that if P is 2, so wherever we see P, we put 2. So 2 is equals to K times, when Q is 10, K times 10. So this becomes K will be equals to 2 over 10. We'll divide both sides by 10. That'll give us what? 1 over 5. Now, the next thing, or 0.2, yes. Now, the next thing we do, it says find the formula connecting P and Q. Now the formula connecting P and Q, what they're asking you to do is to impute the value of this constant into this equation. So we have P is equals to 1 over 5Q. So this is the formula connecting them. P is equals to 1 over 5Q. Now the second one says find the value of P when Q is 5. So when Q is equals to 5, our P will be equals to 1 over 5 times 5. The value of Q 5. So 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So our P is equals to 1. So that's the value of P when Q is 5. Alright, I hope you understand and you follow through the solving or the explanation. If you enjoyed the class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content of the channel. To meet again in the next Making Maths class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.